Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shaz Vlog. Today I will be unboxing my new watch, which is DZ4443, and this is my previous watch. I already purchased it, and it is our unboxing video on my channel. You can go to the video description. I will leave the link for this watch. You can watch also this watch in the details. So let's start the unboxing of DZ4443. So this watch model number is DZ4394. So you can search on internet. So let's start the video. I will just open the box and I will mention the price and a specification as well. So this is a gift from my wife. She has bought from me from Amazon. So this is DZ4443. You can see, very nice. So this is a leather strap and this is a SS dial. Okay, I will give more detail about this watch. So the model year of this watch is the launch year is for this watch is 2017. Okay, so but I purchased in 2022, and I'll give you more detail. This the dial is round shape and it is a 50mm dia. Okay, 50mm dia, and the thickness of this watch is like 12mm. You can see the thickness of this watch is 12mm, and the dial is 50mm. Okay, this is quite a thick watch. Okay, it's a leather brown color, and the material for this watch is stainless steel. Okay, the dial material window type is mineral. Okay, this is a stainless steel, and you can see the interior color is blue, shiny. Okay, the leather strap is brown color. And the weight of this watch is 111 gram. 111 gram is the weight. Okay, you can see it. And this is I will just remove the stickers if any. You can see now it's looking more nice. I'll remove some more. Okay, it's removed from there. I'll remove it later. So you can see the model number of this watch. This is DZ4443. Okay, if anybody want, you can search on your local Amazon store online. And what else? See, I will just wear it. Now I'll show you my another watch, which is this one. This is a very big dial, If you are having a thick hand, like big hand, you can always go for this watch, but it's very big compared to my hand. It's very big. So guys, I will just finish the video. See you on next video. Goodbye, take care.